Nasa kainitan ng bakbakan ngayon ng PBA-RP team ni Coach Yeng Giao kasama ang 15 iba pang koponan sa Tianjin, China. Parang lumulusot sa butas ng karayom ang mga Pilipino dahil top 3 lang ang makapaglalaro sa Turkey World Championships next year. Sino-sino ba ang bumubuo sa koponan?
Number 17, Vic Pinisi. Number 18, David Aguilar.
With a resounding round of applause as we send them off with our prayers.
Kaya ba ni Coach Yeng Giao ang mala Mission Impossible na ito?
Mabigat na laban yun, no? Napakagagaling na at napakalalaki na ng mga teams ng Middle East, no? Magkakahirapan ang labanan, pero susubukan natin, baka kaya nating matsambahan yung mga yon.
Tinanong namin ang ilan sa mga basketball authorities, mga PBA players and coaches, mga sports analysts, hinggil sa kampanyang ito.
Mabigat ang labanan doon. Yung nakita namin sa Jones Cup, yung Middle East, napakalaki ng in-improve nila. Yung mga Korea, Chinese Taipei, Japan, lamang na sila.
Panalangin natin na maging maganda ang performance. Hindi naman dapat maging basis yung naging performance nila doon sa Jones Cup kasi alam naman natin, part ng tune-up lamang yon ng preparation. The real tournament is this FIBA Asia.
Well, they've got a tough road against them. You know, I was able to watch Jordan on the TV and Iran and Lebanon. Those are extremely tough teams. They're big, they're strong, they're fast. So they'll have to overcome those three teams. You know, and of course China will be there without Yao Ming, but they're still China.
Coach Yeng Giao is not prepared for international competition dahil ang international competition is basically team effort. Ano? Kaya nagkagana ng PBA, they were trained to entertain but not to compete internationally. Kaya matataba ang style, mapabagal, tsaka individualistic.
Ikaw, ano sa palagay mo? Sana manalo tayo at ibalik sa bansa ang basketball supremacy sa Asia. Next year, USA Dream Team naman nina LeBron James, Kobe Bryant at Dwayne Wade ang makakasagupan ng mga Pinoy. Let us keep our fingers crossed.
Let's rewind.
Rampy para sa Sports Update.